In this video, I want to show you the RAM mounts custom cradle for the Garmin nuvi 30. This is the RAM-HOL-GA51. Here on the back of the cradle, I have a two-hole pattern and this diamond shape, and usually that's going to accommodate this piece, which is a RAM-B-238 diamond plate with 1-inch ball. This plate does not come with the cradle. It's purchased separately or as part of a bundle, but the cradle does come with hardware to attach this plate to the back. So typically that plate will just bolt right onto the back of the cradle, and once you have that attached, you can build out the rest of your mount, and that ball on the end of the plate will go into a socket arm, and then you can use it with whatever base you have. So here I have my Garmin nuvi 30, and the way that I put this in the cradle, I'm going to drop the bottom in first, and then I can push or pull back on the top of the GPS and it'll snap into place. There's kind of a ridge there along the top of the GPS. I don't know if you can quite make that out, but normally if you just start by pulling it in a little bit, it'll hit that ridge. Just give it another pull and it'll snap into place. This cradle is a very tight fit. You also know it's a very secure fit, so once it's in the cradle, you know that it's not going anywhere. With the GPS in the cradle, I have access to the power button, the external speaker on the GPS, and the mini USB port so that you can power the GPS while it is in the RAM cradle. To remove the GPS from the cradle, you're going to pull up on that tab with one hand, pull out the GPS with the other hand. As I said, it is a tight fit, so it might take you a little bit to get it out, but it will come out of the cradle. The last thing I want to show you here today is this cradle as part of a complete mount. So here I have a GA51 cradle. This one though, I've attached that diamond plate to the back that I showed you earlier. So what I can do is take my nuvi 30, drop that into the cradle, and now I can take whatever base I'm going to be using, like this suction cup, put an arm on that, like this standard length B-socket arm. The 1-inch ball on the back of the cradle will fit into the socket here on the arm. I can adjust the mount as needed, tighten up the knob on the side of the arm when I'm happy with it, and I'm all set to go. I have my nuvi 30 mounted in a custom cradle as part of a suction cup mount. So that is a quick look at the RAM mounts custom cradle for the Garmin nuvi 30. This is the RAM-HOL-GA51.